Okay. Now, for this lesson here, we're just doing just basically the mean and the mode, okay? Now this question here is quite a tricky question. Basically, she goes, in my family, the ages of 3 kids are 6, 10, and 16, okay? Shh. The mean age of the whole family is 24. There's a mum and a dad, okay? So the mum and the dad, let the mum and dad be X and Y. You don't know what age they are, okay? So what happens next is, what we're going to do is, you know that the range is the oldest person minus the youngest person. So Y minus 6 must be 41. This means that the oldest person in the family must be 47. Okay? Now, the next thing you now know that Y is 47. So what happens here is you have X and we have 47. Now, the next thing you know is that the mean of the whole family is 24. So if there's 5 members in the family and each of them averages 24, okay, each of them averages 24, 5 multiplied by 24 is 120. Okay, that's 120. Now, the next thing you got to do with the 120 is you got to take away all the ages you know. So you got to take away minus 6, minus 16, minus 10, minus 47, and what you get? What you get when you take them all away? 41. So the parents are 41 and 47 respectively. Okay? Now, what's happening next is, we're doing next. There are 5 children in the family, okay? So the first thing you could do is just write down the 5 children. Now this will be obviously in order of increase in age, okay? The next thing you're going to do is just get a different coloured pen and go, okay, the youngest is 8. That person is 15. The median child is 13. And what you know, the range is 17. So if the range is 17, 8 plus 17, remember the range is the oldest minus the youngest. Oldest minus youngest is 17. Therefore the oldest is 8 plus 17, which makes it 25. The oldest person is 25. Okay? The oldest person is 25. You can't put 15 at the start because you don't know if 15 is the oldest. So you add the youngest person plus the range gives you the oldest person. 15 will go in there. And now you have to find out what is the age of the second person. The second person we're going to call Y. So what we can do here is, we know that the mean of the age is 14. There's 14 is the average. There's 5 people. This means all their ages add up to 70. Okay? And because all the ages add up to 70, all what we got to do now is just go in and take away the other ages. Minus 8, minus 13, minus 15, minus 25. We're expecting the answer to be in between 8 and 13. It has to be according to size. Okay? 70 minus 8 minus 13 minus 15 minus 25. The answer there is going to be 9. Okay? And we